Hey, I'm Nikki and welcome to XDland. I'm a user experience designer and I make videos about design. If this is something you're interested in, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. I hope to see you soon. In today's tutorial, we're gonna take a look how to sync audio in Premiere Pro CC. So as we can see, we have one video and two audio in our sequence in the timeline. As we can see, the audios are not aligned with each other. So let's play it to here.
Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and make sure to subscribe to.
So it doesn't sound good at all. How can we fix it? So one important thing to know about audio is that audio waves are like fingerprints. They are unique. So aligning out of sync audios for a software like Premiere Pro is very simple. So what we're gonna do is select all of the clips, then do a right click and choose synchronize. Then we are presented with a pop-up and here we pick audio. Then track channel, channel 1. Click OK. And voila! Our audio waves are in sync now. Let's play to here.
Give it a thumbs up.
Perfect!